Let's open and see this one, what is inside it. So, let's see what is inside. Oh. What is it? Quite heavy. This, I have no idea. Open it. I have to remove this sellotape. Oh, it's a book. Interesting. Let me just take it out. Okay. Gregory, Hallock, Smith, Roger, Ceragioli, and Richard Berry. Telescopes, eyepieces, astrographs. Design, analysis, and performance of modern astronomical optics. That's a beautiful book. That's the book to have. Okay, this book is by Wilman Bell. I bought it from America, Richmond, Virginia. It's quite expensive to import it here, so if you can get a cheap deal like the way I did, just grab it. Telescopes, Eyepieces and Astrographs, and published in which year? August 2012. How many pages it is? Okay, 580 pages. It's around $35 American dollar, and the same amount you have to pay for the just postage. So the following trademarks are hereby acknowledged. Okay, optical for oh, they have mentioned a lot of factories which make optical instruments, including Celestron, Pyrex, Mead, Scan Telescope, O'Hara, Shot, which is a glass for the apochromatic, they use it in the sculpture, Starzona, Hyperstar, Teleview, Radian Zetus, ZMAX, Radian, ZMAX, LLC. Okay, that's the book. Has a foreword by Gregory, Hallock, Smith, and Roger Ceragioli and Richard Berry. Two are from America, one is from Canada. Ceragioli. And it table of context, foreword, chapter, introduction, the tour of telescopes, getting started, telescope design, auxiliary optics, optics for imaging, eyepieces, glossary, and bibliography. Visual observing, structure of the eye. Okay, that's all about the eye. Then astronomical imaging. That's about astrographs that we mentioned probably. Optics for observers. What is optics? Elements of it. Tracing, ray tracing, surfaces, optical systems. That's very comprehensive. Achromatic refractors. Apochromatic refractors. Newtonian reflectors. And it explains everything, all the different F numbers. Cassegrain telescopes, Schmidt-Cassegrain telescopes, which is and then comes Maxetov Cassegrain telescope, the sharpest images you can get. Cassegrain telescope with sub-aperture correctors. And then comes to the catadioptric Newtonians. Then tilted component telescopes, like the ones that they used in the olden times, in big telescopes actually, like the ones the Herschel used, or the Lord Ross. With that big telescope they had. Auxiliary optical modules, coma corrector, focal reducers, field flatteners, refracting astrographs, and catadioptric astrographs. That's like Newtonian Newtonian Max-Setov or Newtonian Schmidt. Eyepieces. Oh, 10 to 40, 30 to 45, 60 to 70, 80 to 110. Understanding, oh, so this is Appendix A. Understanding the optical prescriptions found in this book. Glossary, bibliography, and index. That's the most comprehensive book probably you can find. And very nicely illustrated, full of information about the history of telescope, designs of the telescopes, eyepieces, name it, it's there. And if you want to know about the eyepieces, either you have to watch my videos about individual eyepieces or read such a book. This book costs you, watching my videos about eyepieces doesn't cost you anything.